Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we have an equation that seems simple, but many people end up making mistakes because of the order of operations. So pay attention, try to solve it before the final answer, and let's get started. Now you know the correct answer. If you got it right, comment below. If you got it wrong, don't worry. This type of expression tricks many people. Leave your like and subscribe to the channel and follow the upcoming challenges. See you in the next video.